Good morning, I am Pranab Prakhar. Let's take a look at newspaper headlines published from Delhi today. First, the Indian Express. IS plan lone wolf attacks in Gujarat. 2 arrested. According to ATS, computer application graduates held. Son of Saurashtra cricket umpire were under surveillance, their laptops seized. Fighting on 2 fronts. Maya attacks SP to try and hold base in East. This is regarding Uttar Pradesh election, which is almost getting to the last leg. Maharashtra arrest shed light on IS method of hiring via social media. Moving on to the Hindu newspaper, drone strike kill IS recruit from Kerala. NIA charge sheet had said that his group was in Afghanistan. Foreign Secretary Jaishankar to visit US this week. Immigration restrictions in the US are likely to be highlighted as Foreign Secretary S. Jaishankar travels to Washington, D.C. to meet senior US officials this week. During the talk with State Department officials, the first formal conversation with the Trump administration, Mr. Jaishankar is expected to discuss the ways forward in bilateral ties, including possible visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to US in the next few months. MOP for judicial posting set to gain final shape. The Supreme Court Collegium is engaged in exhaustive consultation to finalize the long pending memorandum of procedure for appointment of judges and draft clauses which once created an impasse between the highest judiciary and the government. Now moving on to the Times of India. Times of India says, Army job test paper leaked, retired officer held. Brother, both camp computer science graduate held for IS plot in Gujarat. This is regarding the Gujarat anti-terrorist squad. On Saturday night arrested 2 brothers, Wasim Naeem Ramodia, alleged to have links with Islamic State. Rivals eye SP Pi as battle for UP shift to East today. This is according to the front page story of Hindustan Times. Voting in 51 seats. This is the 5th phase of election. Samajwadi Party Congress locked in friendly contest in Amethi. Help push Bhim app for digital future, says PM. The Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, gives a clarion call for the digital payment and digital future, and he wants to push Bhim app. Can you do one thing in the memory of Ambedkar? Teach at least 125% about Bhim app. Narendra Modi, Prime Minister. Kerala youth who joined IS killed in strike, his family told. Now moving on to the Business Daily, Tata story again coming on the front page. Tata has power to force Mistry family to sell stake. According to articles of association, Tata Sons shareholders can be asked to exit by passing special resolution. Firm in talk with potential buyer of Mistry family stake. SR IDFC alternative reached settlement, paving the way for Rosneft deal. The SR Group has reached a settlement with private equity firm IDFC Alternatives, ending arbitration proceedings that threaten to block the proposed sale of SR Power's Vadinar plant and even delay 12.9 billion SR Rosneft deal. Demonetization effect. Economic growth seen slowing to 6.1 in December quarter. So there you have it. The demonetization effect is now kicking in and the data shows. So that is all we have in this edition of news headlines published from Delhi. Till we meet again tomorrow, it's goodbye from Pranab Prakhar.